fine, let me go with the problem number 21 here. Bob wants to cover the floor of a room 3 meter wide and 4 meter long by square tiles. If each square tiles is of side 0.5 meter, then find the number of tiles required. So they have given in terms of meter only, right? See, the number of tiles required is equal to area of the floor divided by area of the tiles, right? Let us check out. Area of floor is 3 meter into 4 meter, that divided by area of the tile is 0.5 into 0.5, right? Let us go with this. 3 4s are 12, that divided by 0.5 into 0.5 is 0.25, right? Let us divide this. So what you can do is multiply and divide by 100, so that this will move this side after decimal point, right? That is 12 into 100, and this will become 25, correct? You can check out here. 0.25 into 100 you are going to get 25. Now 25 ones are 25 fours are, so 12 fours are 48. So Bob requires around 48 tiles to cover the floor of a room of 3 meter and as well as 4 meter. 3 into 4 meter, right? The answer is here 48 tiles.